This house has been perfectly designed on a very small plot of land, measuring just 870 square feet, which is 36 feet long and 23 feet wide. In this video, we will provide a detailed look at the house's exterior and interior design, estimated construction cost, and the comprehensive floor plan. Stay with JB House Design for the entire video. Assalamu alaikum. We have designed this beautiful one-story home within only 870 square feet or 2 decimal of land. This house includes 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 dining area, 1 kitchen, 2 toilets, 1 common and 1 attached. If you are planning to build your dream home, you can get a design tailored to your specific land size and requirements from us, either directly or online. You can contact us using the number displayed on your screen. For those looking to build a beautiful home within a limited budget and small space, this design will give you an excellent idea. You also have the flexibility to customize this plan according to your plot measurements. We always strive to create modern and innovative designs, moving away from conventional methods. If you like our design, please let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We were just looking at the exterior. Now, let's explore the interior layout of the rooms. The house begins with an entry veranda at the entrance. As soon as you step inside, you will find the living room, measuring 9 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. In front of the living room is the common toilet, which is 7 feet by 3 feet 4 inches. To the right of the living room is the first bedroom, measuring 11 feet by 11 feet 6 inches. This bedroom includes an attached toilet of 7 feet by 3 feet 7 inches. In front of the first bedroom, we have the central dining space measuring 8 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 6 inches, and the stairs are also located here. To the left of the dining area, you will find the kitchen, sized 6 feet by 8 feet 6 inches. In front of the dining and kitchen area is the second bedroom, measuring 11 feet by 11 feet 6 inches. To the right of the second bedroom is the third bedroom, which is 11 feet by 11 feet. This is how the interior design is arranged. At this stage, we can see the location of the rooms in the house from above. Living room, common toilet, first bedroom, attached toilet, dining space, stairs, kitchen, second bedroom, third bedroom. Based on current market prices, the total cost to construct this entire house is estimated to be around 1.6 million Bangladeshi taka. Please note that this cost may vary slightly depending on your location and the time of construction. If you would like to get a drawing and design done through us, please contact the number on the screen. Let us know what you think of this design in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel for more house designs. Thank you.